Welcome back. This is Haunter POV 2023 episode 2. Without further ado,
Yes,
enjoy.
like home. Home. Oh my God. Stand by the door and scare them, like on this side. They're terrified. Please do it.
Hurry up! Come on, hurry up! What? There's nobody out here, just come on! Adam, let's go! Come on! I'm the one banging.
Please, 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 please.
Don't run. Lily, what's behind you?
Lily.
He's calling her name.
Hey,
how's it going? Hi. I like your jeans. They're very cute.
Alright, y'all ready? Y'all
Man
ready?
behind me. Someone's on my shirt. There's a man right here. Hey, you can't touch me. I have a You're not scary.
I'm not touching you. Hey, this guy's opium. Oh, you remember him from last year? Exactly, doesn't he? Ooh.
Where are you going?
I don't know.
There's nowhere to go.
Hey, can I get out? Oh, fuck no.
Where are you going?
Oh, fuck.
Careful. Be careful. Be careful. That's uneven ground.
My baseball. You got me my friend. Look at the friend. The friend. That one. Like, creeps.
What?
Say hi to my friend. They're friends. They're friends, babe. They're friends. I promise.
It's like a scalp massage.
Right?
Can I have some
So
here?
nice.
Can I have some?
That's so cute.
Yeah, watch where you're going.
I'm trying to, but it's kind of like in front of me. My favorite.
I did not expect that.
Sorry, said I was a free one.
Was
Hey,
it?
Sir,
Oh, you're a dope.
you took my ticket. Scare his ass.
No! You're a dope.
I'm only 12 years old.
This is the entrance right here.
Why are you grabbing me?
Oh, shit!
Oh!
Where did
God damn! What's up, Daddy? That's disgusting. Hey, man.
That's not my name.
What's your name?
Not that.
Sorry.
Are you sorry?
Yes, I'm sorry.
You're lying to
I'm
me.
sorry.
I don't like liars.
Sorry.
I don't like liars.
I'm scared.
Are you like dead or what?
I don't know.
Does that work?
You guys all ask questions at
When
the
did
same
you
time.
die?
Ah.
That's cool.
Welcome.
Thank you so much. Oh my god. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hurry.
Scared. Oh my god.
That's what I thought. Adeline, you're making everybody upset. You're not having a good time because you, Adeline. Oh, you're by yourself now. Whoa. Wait, where are you going to go? It's okay. It's okay. I have to eat your hair. I have to eat it. Let me eat some of your hair. I have to eat some of your hair, Adeline. Don't go in the forest.
I'm gonna start crying.
That's what I'm going for. Let me eat some of your hair. I'll leave you alone. I'll leave you alone if you let me eat some of your hair. Just let me have a piece of it. Let me just give me a piece. Don't run from me. Don't run from the Lord. Let me have a piece of your hair. Please. Just one piece.
Oh, okay, one piece. There
Yeah.
you go.
No, I'm not done. I need to eat it.
I don't care.
Let me eat it, Alan. I don't want to eat it. Let me eat it. Let me eat it. Stop running from me, Adeline. I swear. I want to follow you to the parking lot if you won't let me eat your hair. Let me eat it. Can you imagine?
Is this recorded?
There it is.
Is this actually recorded?
Sometimes.
Sometimes?
Yeah, so I'm a good boy. You okay? I mean, you keep like doing whatever you're doing if it makes you feel better. I don't know what you're doing. You're like doing.
Are these real piercings?
Yeah. I didn't graduate. Can you tell? What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What is going on? You not have enough sugar today, or? Hey, I know I'm like asking you like 6 questions. You haven't responded to one. That's really rude. You're being really nice. I'm gonna come over there and eat all the hair off your head. You think I'm lying?
Answer. He's talking to you, not to me.
Hey, yo, clown. Hey, yo, clown. Oh, wait.
I told you what I was gonna do, and you didn't respond. Now you're reacting. You're reacting. You didn't answer any of my questions. Give me some of this. Give me some. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me in my eyeballs. Look at me in my eyeballs. Oh. It's okay. Jesus loves you. Maybe if I ran faster, my dad would still love me.
Are those real piercings?
Yes, they are. Hey! Don't look at me. Hi. Do you? It seems like fan behavior, bro.
I just said we're fans.
Oh, okay.
Come give me a hug right now.
Don't tell me what to do.
I just had a lot of onions.
That's inappropriate.
I just love you.
I really like how you put.
I just like how you're
paper
like
clips
mean.
or like those things.
Yes,
They're
be
your
mean
safety
to me.
pins. I really like
You have
that.
unresolved trauma?
Yes.
Obviously.
I want to do
heartbroken.
that. What you did to your lip through my eyebrow piercing. I feel like that'd be
Come on,
cool.
take a picture with us,
Don't do
please.
that. It's not safe.
Not safe.
No, safety pins don't have a coating on them that's meant to go in your body.
Wait, can I be?
This is Popper right here.
That's really good. That was really good. I'm happy.
You look
wait,
so good
Wait,
tonight.
where's my phone? I need to make a TikTok really fast. Please. Can I make a TikTok with you? Please.
Papa.
Really fast. Oh my gosh. Wait, I have a perfect TikTok for us.
Oh my god.
Wait, you just
They're up on you like they have a clown fetish.
He's
Yeah.
so sexy.
I know, he's my clown daddy.
Macy, do this.
I need some drugs.
Macy, record this. Record this.
Oh my god, you are not mouthing.
Yeah, this is really good.
Straight to jail. Straight to jail. Straight to jail.
Scared. I'm
Don't,
not
don't be
turned.
scared.
What's behind me? The clown.
Don't
I mean
turn
the
around.
pumpkin. Can you ask me if he likes it? Damn.
Watched a girl cry like as I was doing. I watched the tears come out. I haven't seen that in like a couple of years, so that really did it for me.
Okay.
Yeah, that hit different. You okay? You do it? You do a good job? No? Why didn't you? You made it out. You made it out.
That's trauma.
It's too scary, but you made it out. You did it. Right?
How much do you guys get paid for this?
I don't remember.
You screamed less than I did.
Good job. Good job. It's okay.
I am not trusting that.
Look at me, babe. Ooh.
Didn't I tell you?
I told you I'll be back, didn't I tell you?
But I
that?
don't want you by me.
Why? You're the best friend. Why?
I love you. Bro, but Dad. Hey, you again. Papa.
God.
Papi. Papa. Papa. You're just the person I wanted to see.
We've been talking about you.
We have.
God.
You're just looking at two.
How old are you guys?
18.
Papa.
Christ.